Christmas, we try to do something new, something unique, and most importantly, something so Christmassy fun. A high tea is one such thing which is always a hit in our family, where we come together either in a potluck or with various different styles coming together. The pinwheel sandwiches making a comeback, along with my most simple yet gorgeously created ham and cheese cobbler with a nice kale and mushroom bread pudding. And who can let go of Christmas without some gorgeously decadent Christmas scones? The dry fruits that have been soaking into rum the year round goes into these decadent scones, fresh out of the oven, straight into our tummies on Christmas Day. Let's get to creating it. While most of the family love eating scones, I managed to get one to come and help me create them. I don't know how long she's going to be out here, but to start off, into a bowl I've got 660 grams of refined flour. To that I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of refined sugar. Fine granules work really well out here. And about a teaspoon of salt just to get everything together. To that you add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and you need to have that much baking powder just so that your scones get light, airy and rise. So 3 tablespoons of baking powder going on top, and we're just going to get to mixing it all. So use your hands, it's Christmas guys. Let everything come well together. Into this you add 120 grams of unsalted butter and just allow it to finely mix into it and resemble breadcrumbs or the coarsest of sand textures. Just allow the hard butter to rub into the flour and create the coarsest of sand textures. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes, and this is the only hard work that's actually required in creating scones. So mix this through and just keep at it till it forms coarse of sand textures. As the butter has well mixed into the flour, giving it that playful sand textures that we all enjoy from time to time, in goes 2.5 cups of these gorgeous Christmassy fruits that have been soaked in rum. They just give you that burst of flavor that's required. Just mix the two together and now form the dough. As this has well mixed, into this you add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of rum, just so that the dough comes together. A scone is a light dough and you do not need to overwork it. So as this absorbs, now we're just going to lightly fold it and get everything together. As the dough has come together really well, you just divide it into 3 parts now to create circular dough and cut it into wedges. It's such a simple Christmassy scone. Roll them into a simple round about 1 inch thick and just cut them into wedges. So I'm going into 4 and then 4 again, just to get those perfect Christmassy wedges. Line these on a parchment lined bake tray and ensure there's about 1 inch gap in between, and just bake it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for a good 20 minutes till they rise and ooze out with all their Christmassy wonder. All these gorgeous scones require a light egg wash brush, so 1 egg just whisked up going on top, giving it that gorgeous golden brown color. With these scones lightly coated with an egg wash, now comes the fun part, and this honest thing doesn't really require a recipe because it's a French rustic tart. It's so simple and so easy to create. Just roll out a short crust pastry to about 1/2 centimeter thickness, sprinkle some dark brown muscovado sugar on it, cut a fig 1/4 and just arrange it on top. This bakes also in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for just about 20 minutes. These go bang into a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for just about 20 minutes till they are gorgeously risen and amazingly done.
You're all coming on the...
20 minutes of baking these decadent Christmassy scones. The rum that is in it has given it a golden brown color. These are ready. Just slather some melted butter or some raspberry jalapeno relish and you're good to go. These gorgeous Christmas scones make any Christmas high tea perfect to enjoy with a slathering of some butter and some raspberry jam. I hope you enjoyed creating one of my creations that are gorgeous and filled with flavor and extremely Christmassy in nature. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button, and before saying like always, don't forget to subscribe. I wish you a very Merry Christmas.